Hello friends, welcome to Shell's Top Sitter Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine. Happy Holi to you all viewers. Today I am going to make pua with suji and maida mix. I hope you all will like it. So I will show you the ingredients what I am going to use. Friends, I have taken suji. This suji I will put in here. This is maida. You can see this also I have put in. This much maida I am using. Friends, this is milk powder. This also I am putting. I will mix all this together. Now I will make the batter. Put some water. This I am mixing the batter. Now I will put in the sugar. This much sugar I have taken. I am going to put this in. Now along with the sugar I will mix the batter nicely. Friends, this I am mixing the batter. Now I will let this be till half an hour, and after that I will make the puas. I hope you all will like it. Friends, I have put in the oil. You can see this is the oil. Now I am going to fry the puas. I am going to make the puas now. Once the oil turns hot, friends, the oil has gone hot. Friends, you can see this way I'll make the puas. Friends, this way I will make the puas. This was the first one. It was not so nice. Now friends, this way I will fry all the puas. I am making, this is the first time I am making the puas. I don't know how it will come. I hope it will be nice to eat also. Friends, you can see the puas being made. All in different shapes and size. Friends, you can see all the puas are ready. For the first time I have made. I hope it will be well. I hope you all will like it. Thanks for watching my video.